Welcome to our lighting comparison video. Today we're diving into two popular lighting kits, the NEEWER Ring Light 18-inch and the Torjim Softbox Lighting Kit. Whether you're a makeup artist, vlogger, or photographer, choosing the right lighting can make all the difference in your work. We'll explore their features, discuss their pros and cons, and help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The NEEWER Ring Light features a circular design with 240 LED bulbs, providing bright and even illumination ideal for makeup and vlogging. In contrast, the Torjim Softbox offers a more traditional lighting setup, producing softer, diffused light that is great for photography. While the ring light minimizes shadows, the Softbox creates a more flattering light for portraits and video recording. The NEEWER Ring Light has a fixed color temperature of 5600K, which is perfect for daylight conditions. However, the Torjim Softbox allows for a range of color temperatures from 3000K to 7500K, making it more versatile for different shooting environments. This flexibility can be crucial for achieving the desired mood in your videos or photos. When it comes to portability, the Torjim Softbox is significantly lighter and more compact than the NEEWER Ring Light, making it easier to transport for on-the-go shoots. The NEEWER kit, while sturdy, can be a bit bulky to carry around, which may be a consideration for those who frequently travel for their work. In conclusion, both the NEEWER Ring Light and the Torjim Softbox have their unique advantages. If you need bright, even lighting for makeup or vlogging, the NEEWER might be the better choice. However, if you're looking for versatility and softer light for photography, the Torjim Softbox is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.